Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360. Today let's just try out to make this simple exercise. The dimensions are given. The length is 114 plus a couple of radius to be added with this dimension. So the total becomes 178 and the width is 64. Create on sketch. Choose a proper plane. Add a rectangle and dimension it. This is 178. This is 64 and finish the sketch. Select this region and say press pull. This dimension is 13. Next I will add a couple of rounds of radius 32. Choose fillet. Select the proper edges. And define the value. Hit enter. Choose home to reorient your object. And next we will add these cutouts of diameter 22. Select this face, sketch on it, draw two circles, dimension them. This is 22, this is 22. Now select on concentric, choose this circle and this and this. Finish the sketch, home this, extrude, drop it down, select all and say OK. Next I will add the middle section of 64 by 64. For that, create sketch, choose this top plane and select the corner rectangle or click on center rectangle of something like this and dimension them. This one is 64. Hit enter. And this one is also 64, and which is fine. Press pull this region and the extrusion is 45. Now you have done with the maximum of the object. Next simply this cutout of 36, but for that I need a new plane. Construct offset plane and define a negative value of -13, as you can see over here. Now I will sketch on this plane. Draw a line. From this point till bottom and something like this. Dimension them. This is 45 and from here till here this one is 13 and this one is 64 minus 13 and I will hit OK. Finish. Next I will do one thing and drag it like this and say -36 and hit enter. The top surface doesn't match, that's why we have a bit of addition and sketch. Let become this one 46 or 45 and do one thing to just, and now make it 46 47 finish. Now you have done. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Click on appearance, and here you need to go for the paint metallic and drop this color. You have done. So best of luck, and just subscribe to the channel.